Hello guys again, and today we have a new unboxing. This is the Parkside Cordless Drill PABS 20 Li-D4. 20 is 20 volts of lithium battery, and we have some specs here. 20 volt, 2 ampere hour of lithium, first gear, second gear, 25 torch settings, 13 millimeter automatic spindle lock, and 2 bits. 3 years from Lidl warranty, Leon technology. And here, let's find what we have inside. Ta-da! Inside, we are going to find some manuals. It's your choice if you want to read it. We have this wonderful charger. It is an output 21.5 volt, 2.4 amps, 65 watts. And this is the boy. It feels very durable. 25 torch settings. Here it is 25. Drilling. And here's the 25. And then the drilling. First year for screwing from 1 to 25 in first year. Second year is for drilling. Here's the 2 bits. It holds it by a magnet. Very nice for your bell. Just like that. We have the battery 20 volts with an indicator. Here is some specs. 2000 milliamps battery. Manufacturer on August 2018. 20 volts. Very nice. And definitely we are going to test this. Let's install this. Going to drill in metal, see how it goes. Drilling, and here is drilling. Very easy. Let's do it again. With no problemo. Let's try it on a wood. Let's change this. Very easy to lovely. Well, next time I'm going to try to screw something on a wood and on this iron that I already cut it. And with no problem, it has a very good torch. No problem, it goes all the way. Try it on this, good. Next, I will try to test it on a wall. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. I think you have already made your conclusion about how it can handle working conditions, this tool. For me, I think it's a great tool. It only costs 50 euros. I already have the oldest model for a year, and it makes me very happy whenever I use it. If someone outside is using this tool for a professional use, it can leave a comment below to tell us his opinion about this tool. Thank you again for watching this video, and please share this video, you never know who may need it, and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it.